Hi, I wanted just to make a super quick video for how to make a landing page on Thrive Themes because it is super easy. So what we're going to do is we're just going to simply go to pages. We're going to go down to add new pages. I'm going to click that and we're going to add a new page. So I'm going to put in demo Bali. So I'm going to make a Thrive page for Bali. It's a landing page for Bali. So I write demo Bali and then I write publish. So name and that, and then I get the URL. And now I'm just going to go ahead and edit that page with Thrive Content Builder. So this is just launching the builder. And it gives me one of these very plain pages that I can begin to customize, but I'm going to go into where the landing pages are. So you go over to your Thrive toolbar when that loads, and you just click this arrow here, and you're going to choose landing page. And I use a lot of these landing pages. There's tons to choose from. As you can see, there's lots and lots and lots, and I know which one I want. So I'm just going to go down the bottom here, and it's one that I use quite often. So I'm just going to put a mini squeeze, and I'm going to just tick that and go down here to load my landing page. So this is going to just change the entire screen now and change my landing page. So here, are we ready, okay, for the time now? So if you think about how fast we can change one of these landing pages. So the first thing is that obviously I'm going to be doing my retreat in Bali. So what I want to do is I want to get rid of the background. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go into landing page settings. And I'm going to go into background image, and up comes my media library very quickly. I'm going to scroll through my media library and pick this rather gorgeous picture of Bali. I'm going to click insert into post, and my background is now changed. Here I'm going to now customize this. So oh, I don't want to move that. I'm just going to delete this and let that just delete. Sorry, my computer's a wee bit slow today. Waitlist for Bali. And I always logo up all my stuff, so I'm just going to put in an image here, drag the little image from this place, just drag it over, hit media library, and it opens up my media library. And I think I'll go with a rather nice Joanna Hunter there in my gold, and I'm just going to make that image a little bit smaller and center it. And the next thing is we can put in oh, it just wants to keep moving this. So let me just get this, and I'm just going to highlight that so I can change it. So get on my waiting list for selfish Get Selfish Revolution. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight this and make that portion bold. Perfect. Right, so we're not very many minutes in, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on this box here. We're going to click on our colors, and I don't like this colored button, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that button color to something a bit more me. So yes, we'll do it a nice purple, and okay, and then if I click the shadow and do that and click OK, and button shadow color, we can change it to this. Okay, so now all the colors are changed, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect with service. So I'm going to create a new connection, so very quickly, and I've already got my API set up in the back end of Thrive, so that's just ready to go to the next step. As I go to the next step, I can have multiple email lists. So I can have, you know, if I had Aweber as well, for instance, or Infusionsoft or something else, I can load different ones. But I happen to work with MailChimp, and I'm just going to go and select my mailing list. So I'm just going to select the Journey mailing list for this one, Get Selfish. I'm going to have a single opt-in or a double opt-in. I always go with the double opt-in. And I hit save. And what this is going to do now is it's going to load up basically how I want this little box to be. So I want to display the name, so I click yes. And I can even ask for a phone number, but in this time I'm not. And I'm going to make the name a required field. At this little integration at the bottom here, I could have a thank you page that I could set up, so I could pick redirect to a URL and then I could pick that. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reload the current page and then I'm going to hit save. And as you can see, it is there we go. So I've just hit vertical there, and once I've done all that, I'm just going to hit save changes. And I'm just going to scroll down to just this little bit here. And obviously I don't want that to say Acme Inc. So I'm going to say Joanna Hunter Media. That's me. And it's got a link already linked up for my disclaimer, and I can change the color of this if I wanted it to be a little bit brighter, but I'm quite happy with what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is save changes, and voila, page done. And if I hit preview now, you can see exactly what this page looks like, and it is ready for you just to fill in your doodahs. And you can start the download, or you can change that button as well. I've written start download. Obviously that there is an option for me to change that as well. I didn't notice it said start download, but that way I can change that to add me to waitlist or whatever. It's super easy. If I wish to do that, all I need to do is go with edit with Thrive Content Builder again, click on the element, and edit components, I think it is. So yes, submit button. So here it comes. So start download, and I'm going to change that to add me to the list. And just click enter and save changes. So I just wanted to show you how super simple making a landing page can be with Thrive. And this is one of the reasons why I love it so much, because it really turned my WordPress hell into, can you hear that angel music in the background? Like, how easy is that? I had lead pages, and I can honestly, hand on heart, my own personal opinion, I actually think that Thrive is far easier than even using lead pages, which is known as a kind of industry standard for email marketing and online marketing. But I love Thrive. I love it. I would marry it if I wasn't already married. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in another video soon. And do check out my affiliates link if you want to be if you want to get this great program. It's Thrive Themes that you've seen today, and I'm Joanna Hunter from joannahunter.com, and I will speak to you soon. Bye now.